Hello! Chapter 11 is entitled Materials, and it aims to define the different physical properties of matter. In the first part, we're going to define density and state its unit. An old riddle asks, which is heavier, a pound of feathers or a pound of lead? What do you think? People only fall for this if they confuse two different ideas. Mass, which is the amount of matter in an object, and the density, which is the amount of matter in a particular volume. A pound, like a kilogram, is a measure of mass. So, a pound of feathers is equal to the pound of lead. However, the density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume, calculated using the equation density is equal to mass divided by volume. Also, the density is represented by rho, and the unit is kilogram per cubic meter. We can rearrange the equation. It gives that the volume is equal to the mass divided by the density, and the mass is equal to the density multiplied by the volume. We can arrange them in a triangle in order to remember them easily. So, the mass is in the top of the triangle. If we need the density, we hide it. The remaining quantities are mass and the volume. This horizontal line represents division. So density is equal to mass divided by volume. If we need the mass, we hide the mass. The remaining part is the density and volume. This vertical line represents multiplication. So we say that the mass is equal to the density multiplied by the volume. And if we need the volume, we hide it. The remaining quantities are the mass and density. The horizontal line means division. So the volume is equal to mass divided by density. That's it.